Assalamualaikum. What's up guys, I'm Imat and today's video is about Unc0ver version 6.2.0. So Unc0ver version 6.2.0 is now out with major stability and reliability improvements to iOS 14 support as stated by the developer of Unc0ver. So in this video we're gonna be installing Unc0ver version 6.2.0 on our device running iOS 14.3 or lower version, and we'll see that if it has actually improved or not, because last time the experience was so bad that I had to change my jailbreak from Unc0ver to Taurine for the first time because Unc0ver kept crashing, my device kept rebooting, and it was never successful on the first try when jailbreaking my device. So in this video we're gonna be using the version 6.2.0 and we'll see that if it has actually improved or not. So if you're new here, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if this video helps you, then make sure to hit the like button and also comment down below with which device are you using. And if you want to support me, then you can find the related links in the description box below, and you can also join the channel to support me. So without any further delay, let's get right into it and install the Unc0ver version 6.2.0 on our device. So Unc0ver version 6.2.0 comes with a lot of improvements as stated that it is basically to improve the support for iOS 14, and if you're on iOS and already jailbroken, then you can use reprovision to install it, and if you're on macOS or Windows you can use All-Store. I'm going to be giving all of the links in the description box below and the related tutorials. And for Linux you need to have an Apple developer account to use CDI Impactor in order to install Unc0ver on your device. So it is quite easy on macOS and Windows, and I'm gonna be showing you the tutorial on macOS, but the steps are totally same for Windows. So now what we'll have to do is we can either download the Unc0ver IPA or we can install All-Store on our device and directly install Unc0ver to the All-Store. So let's install All-Store on our device now. So guys, to get Unc0ver on your device you will need to have All-Store installed. So first of all, you will have to set up All-Store on your MacBook or laptop. For macOS you will need to be on macOS 10.14.4 or higher version, which is Mojave or higher version, and for Windows it is only available on Windows 10 as of now. So if you wanna know how to install it and set it up, you can find the link of the tutorial in the description box below. So after that guys, we will have to launch our server. So for Windows there is an application in the Windows menu, and for macOS there is an application, you will have to launch it. And after that in Windows you will get the All-Store icon in the taskbar below, and for macOS you will get the All-Store icon in the menu bar. So after that, if you're on macOS, then you will need to have Mail application running in the background, and also you need to have the Mail plugin installed. You can see all of these steps in the tutorial linked below. So after that guys, you will have to click here and click on Install All-Store, and you will have to click on your iPhone. So in my case I have connected my iPhone 10 to it, so I'm gonna select it, and after that I will have to give my Apple ID and password here. So don't worry, it's completely safe. So now I'm gonna enter my Apple ID and password and we will move to the next step. So now it's saying All-Store already installed on another device. So I installed it before, but then I uninstalled it, and All-Store will stop working on your previous devices if you will continue. So I'm gonna continue, click here. So now in a few moments you will see that All-Store will appear on the home screen of my iPhone 10. So just give it a few more seconds and it will appear here. So as you can see that the All-Store icon has now appeared on the iPhone 10. So now we're gonna continue to install the Unc0ver application. So now keep your device connected to the MacBook or laptop, and what you'll have to do is you'll see that if I'll try to open it I won't be able to. So I'll have to go to settings, then scroll down, go to general, go all the way down and go to device management. Go to your email and click on trust, then trust again, and after that you will see that I will be able to open All-Store. So here you can see that here it is. So now how are we gonna install Unc0ver? It's simple, just go to Safari and here you will have to search for unc0ver.dev. So here is the link, unc0ver.dev, and O is a 0. So I'm gonna be giving the link in the description box below, and after that just click on open in All-Store and it will directly open in All-Store. So now just give it a few more seconds it might ask for your Apple ID and password if you're installing anything for the first time. So just give it a few more seconds. So here it is. I'm gonna enter my details now. So I have entered my details. Now I'm gonna just wait for it to sign me in. So here's how it works. Launch all server, connect to Wi-Fi, download apps refresh automatically. So click on got it, and now as you can see that the progress bar is now moving forward, and we will have Unc0ver application on our home screen any second from now. So just give it a few more seconds. So as you can see that now Unc0ver application has been side loaded. So go to your home screen and you will be able to open it. So after that, I'm on iOS 14.3 and I'm on a supported iOS version, and the Unc0ver version is 6.2.0. So click on jailbreak. Let's see, has it improved the support on iOS 14 or not. So it only took about 20 to 25 seconds. So now there is a new ad. It is the Unwell Security app, and it is available on the App Store. So you can get it from here if you want to secure your device. So after that, click on the close sign. And now the system needs to reboot to finish the jailbreak process. So I'm gonna click on OK, and now my device will reboot. And after that, we will have to run the Unc0ver application again in order to complete the jailbreak process. So now you can remove the cable from your iPhone, because we are done side loading the application. And now we're just gonna move to the next step. So I'm gonna enter my passcode. So after that, I'm gonna open the Unc0ver application again, and we'll have to click on the jailbreak button again in order to complete the jailbreak process. And after that, instead of rebooting, our device will respring into the jailbroken mode. So just give it a few more seconds now. So now our device has been jailbroken, no error occurred. Click on OK, and now my device will respring into jailbroken mode. So now it has respring, so I can unlock it with Face ID. And here is CDN substitute. After that, you can start using Cydia to install your favorite Cydia tweaks without any issue. So guys, if you want to know how to re-sign your applications without having to use computer every time, then make sure to check out the video down below. And using this video, you will be able to re-sign your applications without having to use a computer or laptop every time. So I really hope that this video will help you out. So make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button if it turned out to help you. And also leave a comment down below with which device are you using. And do not forget to support me. You can find all of the links in the description box below. Until next time, this is iMatt. Peace out.